It's time to get this show on the road. In this video, we are going to tear this 2003 RM125 all the way down to the bare frame and see what all we need to do and get this thing headed back in the right direction. So stick around. So this is how my teardown process works. I like to use these totes like this, and I just set them out like this right here. These are kind of junk, but they work. Set a couple totes out so that when I take my stuff apart, I can just throw them all in here. Alright, so to get started, we're going to select the Milwaukee tools that I need. I'm going to use this impact. And I'm going to need an 8 mil, so I just fill this, count over 1, 2, 3, it's my 8. Probably going to need a 10 as well to get the plastic off and get started. So here we go. This pipe is clear full of water, so I don't know if we had a blowhead gasket or what, but that doesn't sound good. Okay, so here it is, tore down mostly. Got a one bolt that's stripped and going to be drilled and got out. There's all the parts. There's the engine on the stand, going to take it apart yet. And there's the plastic and stuff over there. It's just go to the trash most likely. So there you go. Tearing it all down, getting ready to make it into something. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the teardown of my son's RM125. That is not my broke to build, just to be clear. That is his bike that he's redoing. We're going to do them together, and I just took it apart for him because he's at work and we need to get the stuff out the coating together. So I just quickly did that for him, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel. And we got more to come. We got the engine, and we got a whole nother one we're gonna put back together. Go back together with two of them. I think they're both gonna be on the broke to build. He's gonna do one, and I'm gonna do one. So, yeah, if you're interested, check us out. We'll see you on the next one.